Welcome to my video. In this video, I show you how to SSH to remote IP address using batch file. You edit the IP address according to your own wishes. If your work often uses SSH, this tool will help you. You don't need to remember all your IP addresses. After you have completed the code, you need to save the file with the extension bat. You do the same with other IP addresses. I will do one more IP address, and to do SSH to it you press number 2. You will find this code in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You will find this code in the description of the video.